What if I told you that you could have ChatGPT for free without the internet, and your data never leaves your computer? Don't want to send private data to the cloud? Tired of subscriptions? Meet Ollama, a tool that runs real AI models directly on your PC. Here's how to install it in less than 5 minutes, step by step. Go to ollama.com. Click Download. Then Download for Windows. Run the installer. When the installation is complete and the terminal appears, from the drop-down menu select Gemma 3:4B. Type Download, and this will start the Download Smart Model to your computer. I already have it installed on my computer. You can also try downloading another smart model of your choice. Once the smart model is downloaded, you can use your Ollama as a ChatGPT. While your computer is offline. Before, cloud. AI equals monthly subscription plus privacy concerns. After, Ollama equals install once, work forever, private. Why is this a game changer? Free forever. Works without internet. Your data never leaves your PC. You can use it for writing, coding, learning. For more videos like this, follow, and subscribe to the PC Tips and Tricks channel.